Welcome back. Okay, so I know I said yesterday that I might not, but I'm doing a 2-table setup today and I need to maximize the use of my space because thankfully I've been selling things. So I didn't even say nothing about that. Look at this. It's gold. It's a tray. Yay. I'm maximizing my space because I have a lot of stuff. Oh, okay, cool. This was inspired by this nail set that's growing out. I didn't have pearls to put in there, so I just did some iridescent glitter, so it's like, you know, a little splash of gold. Yeah. This is for a friend from my nail tech. It's supposed to be the matching piece to her rolling tray, and I'm hoping I got it right. It looks good from the back, but let me see. Ooh, shiny and pretty. This is why I was crying about that other mold, because I don't know if y'all recall, they came out dull. Like, they're very like muted as far as shine goes, but this, yeah, love it, love it. Okay, this one should be shiny too, unlike the rainbow one. The rainbow one I love though, so not mad at that. But I think I might do another rainbow one, but with the shiny mold. Oh, yes. Yes, yes, yes. I love this. I love it. Okay, and then one more. I'm gonna do these two back to back because I want my things. Ooh, okay. Oh, that's cute. A little splash of black on that side, and then it's black on the bottom. That gold. Yeah, I love how this gives you like a little bit of a dimension here because it like separates a little bit, but it's layered. Love it, love it. Okay, and that's that. I think I'm obsessed with these little trays. I think I'm gonna make some more. I like them a lot. Anyways, we got 2 trinket dishes. Oh, good catch. And 3 accessory trays, vanity trays, whatever you want to call them, rolling trays, altar trays, whatever. Make sure you subscribe to All Things Pointless, and whether you got here on purpose or by fate, thank you so much for watching this pointless unmolding. Bye.